it was awesome because everyone was so encouraging and there was no competition. It was in it for me, and to hear how I could walk this walk and have other women alongside me was life changing. It really was. It was something I never thought was possible.
I could never have done this without your help. You have been wonderful, the community, and I just love you guys.
And this is something that I want every woman to experience, that she can do it, that there is a life for her, that it has more energy in it, and that it's possible. Because if I can do it, anyone can do it.
The thrill that it is to be over 50 and be able to take off some weight is just amazing to me. And I don't feel like I'm denying myself.
It really is one of those things where I was kind of at my wit's end. I was tired. I was exhausted every day. I was going to the gym. I was doing really, really hard workouts at the gym. And I was not seeing any real progress in my weight. So I was willing to kind of commit to something different and something new. And as you're working on your spiritual life and your mindset through the book and through the coaching calls, you really get motivated or inspired within yourself to just keep going.
First of all, it's making the decision to do something in your life and then do it. There's this wonderful feeling of waking up in the morning and know that the day before you did something you said you were going to do. When you make the decision, I'm tired of waking up wishing that I was 10 pounds lighter. I'm sick of it. And yet you don't do anything in the course of the day to change the answer to that. Having your book and having it on my counter in the kitchen and being able to refer to it reminds me of what I'm doing and keeping me on track.
I really do feel like 50 is the new 30. I feel better now. I didn't know all of those things. I knew to eat well, but I wasn't doing it as much as I thought. My diet now is 90% Eat, Live, Thrive diet and way of life. And so are the exercises. And so is the healthy self-talk.
I have enjoyed the coaching sessions, and I have been part of those. Because it puts faces to the people that you're going through this with. It helps me see you two as real people. This has become part of my everyday life, not just in my eating habits and my diet, but in my walk with God also. You're not just helping women eat and live healthy. You are helping them to thrive because of that side of it. As we look at the self-image that we have, knowing that we're made in God's image, that God made us as women, and we have a purpose in this life as women, and we have a responsibility to leave a legacy to the generations behind us, is a reason right there to stay healthy